You guys come to the market every day?
Well, there's a market on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And there's different vendors on each of those days, but every day that the market is here, Gustavo will come, or somebody that's in the kitchen will come. The best day, in my opinion, is Wednesdays, because you have the same amount of vendors that you do on Saturday, but without the crowds that you do on Saturday. I mean, Saturday is a phenomenal day, but you need to come early. And in the winter, it's interesting because, like, you know, they grow some stuff in greenhouses, but in the winter, it's mostly with vegetables, a lot of pickles. So there's a lot of local.
What are you getting here?
This is tarragon, French tarragon. Our guacamole, everywhere actually, the guacamole that we use has different herbs depending on the season, on where we are.
Mix, mojito mix, also part of the wok. The idea for a dish like the wok, which is like a very classic staple thing in Mexican restaurant, is that ours has these different herbs. It's meant to be and feel like a garden, you know?
There's nothing that says September in New York like corn, no?
Yes. Harvest season, look at that. Sí, por favor. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah.
Baby greens.
Oh, nice.
These are the baby greens that we use garnishing that layuda that we saw earlier. Mustard greens, a little bit of sorrel, a little bit of baby kale, baby tatsoi.
You get a special deal on the back of the truck here?
Yes. I mean, so the market had some rules, and they're not allowed to sell everything every single day. So a farm like Gladys gets these things for us, but they're not displayed for the rest of the customers. Again, just one of the other relations is that we have with these farmers, that they grow special things, and they bring special things for us.
We have a relation with several of these farms that actually deliver direct because of the quantities.
We have a specialty Mexican purveyor also.
We have a specialty Mexican purveyor.
Bring the dry chiles from Mexico. And we have one more farm that I want to visit. It's a Mexican farm called Gramba Farm, and they have an herb called pipicha. We use it to make it oils. Also a good use for some herbs, particularly this one like pipicha or papalo. This one over here, a very characteristic flavor.
Controversial flavor. No?
Controversial
people
flavor.
That love it and people that hate it.
So that's what we figure, making these kind of herbs into an oil to incorporate to the dishes is a nice way to bring the herbs and make it in a way that is there, but it's not something that's overpowering, and people get to try and enjoy it. I love this farm because there's a lot of Mexican produce. This, like picha, papalo, are things that remind us a lot of Mexico, and it does feel like a little Mexican market. I'm gonna take this amaranth also, put it on the tlayuda tonight. Bring some color and different kind of flavor to it. This is a purslane or verdolaga that we use on the tamal. It needs a lot of water to grow. It's like it has a meaty texture to it. Again, a very classic staple of how we use greens and vegetables in Mexican cooking. I'm gonna take these couple bunches as well. I'm ready to go.